Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have to find the measure of line segment MK in this diagram. No? Here, the length of this segment KL is given as 8 units, and the length of this segment ML here is given as X plus 5 units. Similarly, the length of this segment KJ here is given as 7 units, and this segment JC is given as 2x plus 1 units. Now, we will use the intersecting secant theorem in this question. For instance, in this diagram, by intersecting secant theorem, PA times PB is equal to PC times PT. Now, coming to our question, by intersecting secant theorem in this diagram, we can write that Kn times Km will be equal to Kj times Kc using the intersecting secant theorem. Now, we can write it as further Kl times Km. Now, this segment Km, that is this complete segment here, Km, can be written as the addition of Kl plus Ml. So we can write Km as Kl plus Ml is equals to Kj times Kc. Now this segment Kc here, this segment Kc can be written as the addition of Kj plus Jc. So we can write Kc as addition of Kj plus Jc. Now we will substitute the values in this equation. Putting Kl here as 8 units, putting Kl as 8 units plus putting Ml here as x plus 5 units in this equation is equals to putting Kj as 7 units plus putting Jc here as 2x plus 1 units. Now we need to simplify this equation to find the value of x. Now solving this equation in these steps here as shown, we get the value of x is equal to 8 units. Now we need to find the measure of line segment MK. We already know that MK can be written as the addition of KL plus ML. So we can write that MK is equal to KL plus ML. Now we will substitute the values. Putting KL here as 8 units and ML as x plus 5 units. Here in this equation, we get 8 plus x plus 5. Simplifying it further, we get mk is equals to x plus 13 units. Now we will put x equal to 8 in this equation, which we just found here. So we get mk is equals to 8 plus 13. From here, mk is equals to 21 units, which is the answer to our question.